Number 15. The Crumpler family is taking a day trip to Air and Space Museum. The family leaves the house at the time showing on the clock below. What time does the Crumplers family leave? We need to look at this clock. A, 11:49 a.m. B, 11:50 a.m. C, 12:49 p.m. D, 12:50 p.m. Choose your best answer. Number 16. How can Irina find the area of her front porch? The letter P stands for the area of the porch. How can Irina find the area of her front porch? A, 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 10 equals P square yards. B, 6 times 6 plus 6 times 2 equals P square yards. D, 6 times 10 plus 6 times 2 equals P square yards. D, 10 times 2 plus 4 times 4 equals P yards. Number 17. Which letter represents the fraction 3/4 on the number line? Q, R, S, or T? Choose your best answer. A, Q, B, R, C will be S. So if you choose S, it will be C. If you choose Q, you need to bubble in A, and so on. And then last D is letter T. Number 18. Lamb took the cherries from the bowl and put them in equal groups. Which equation would possibly represent the equal groups Lamb made? Lamb took the cherries from the bowl and put them in equal groups. Which equation could possibly represent the equal groups that Lamb made? A, 5 times 4 equals 20. B, 5 times 3 equals 20. C, 6 times 4 equals 20. D, 17 plus 3 equals 20. Which equation could possibly represent the equal groups that Lamb made? Choose your best answer. Number 19. After school, Sydney plays at the park. She climbs the monkey bars for 18 minutes. Next, Sydney plays on the swings for 8 minutes. Then, Sydney plays freeze tag for 35 minutes. How long does Sydney play at the park? A, 26 minutes. B, 43 minutes. C, 51 minutes. D, 61 minutes. How long does Sydney play at the park? Number 20. Which fraction is equivalent to 1/2? A, 2 over 1. B, 3/6. C, 3/4. D, 1/3. Which fraction is equivalent to 1/2? 21. The model below represents a rug that Chris bought. It has a width of 3 feet and a length of 9 feet. What is the area of Chris's rug? A, 12 square feet. B, 27 square feet. C, 36 square feet. D, 81 square feet. 22. Which fraction identifies point J? Here's point J. A, 1/6. B, 2/4. C, 3/4. D, 2/6. 23. Which multiplication equation can be used to find 40 divided by 5? A, 5 times 8 equals 40. B, 10 times 4 equals 40. C, 20 times 2 equals 40. D, 5 times 6 equals 40. Which multiplication equation can be used to find 40 divided by 5? 24. Which is the best estimate for the mass of the pillow? A, 1 gram. B, 1 kilogram. C, 10 kilograms. D, 100 kilograms. Which is the best estimate for the mass of the pillow? Number 25. Mr. Roberts went to the farmer's market on Wednesday and bought 450 grams of ground beef and 800 grams of ground pork. How much meat did Mr. Roberts buy on Wednesday? A, 250 grams. B, 510 grams. C, 1,050 grams. D, 1,150 grams. How much meat did Mr. Roberts buy on Wednesday? "26. Mason completed 5/6 of his homework. Which label on the number line represents the part of Mason's homework that is complete? Is it A? Is it letter B that represents the part that's complete? Letter C? Letter D? Which label on the number line represents the part of the homework that Mason completed? 27. Robert and Alexa each partitioned the same size rectangle. Alexa shaded 1/3 of her rectangle. How much of Robert's rectangle is equal to 1/3? Alexa's rectangle, Robert's rectangle. How much of Robert's rectangle is equal to 1/3? A, 2/6. B, 3/6. C, 4/6. D, 5/6. Number 28. Below are two balance scales showing the mass of some pears and some strawberries. What is the total mass of the pears and strawberries. Here are the pears. We want to look here, and here are the strawberries, and we want to look here for our information. A, 150 grams, B, 350 grams, C, 400 grams, and D, 500 grams. Number 29. The rectangle below has been partitioned into two equal parts. Which unit fraction represents one equal part of the whole rectangle? Which unit fraction represents one equal part of the whole rectangle? A, 1/8, B, 8/8, C, 6/6, and D, 8/1. Number 30. Mr. Rad has 8 paintbrushes. He put an equal number of paintbrushes at 4 easels. Which of the models below represent the problem? Mr. Rad has 8 brushes. He put an equal number of paintbrushes at 4 different easels. Which of the models below represents the problem? A, B, C, D. Now you have come to the end of your SLO pre-test. What I would like for you to do is make sure that your bubbles that you have put here on your paper test matches the bubbles that you have on your answer sheet. Please be certain that you go through each and every one of these. Thank you so much, and keep in mind you can always rewind, pause, or fast forward to complete this task. Thank you so much.